It's the most wonderful time of the year. Time to open your pool. And Pool Frog is here to help make it easy. We'll walk you through the startup directions step by step. It always begins with balancing the water. To get total alkalinity between 80 and 120 ppm, pH between 7.2 and 7.8, and hardness ideally between 200 and 400 ppm. Part of that process is making sure that the water you're about to fill your pool with is not too high in calcium or metals, or too low in conditioner or cyanuric acid. A simple water test at your dealer will give you guidance on how to manage these special situations. Then it's time for basic water balance. If you need a refresher on how to balance your water, visit frogbalance.com. We also recommend downloading the free Frog Water Care app that will give you precise directions on getting your water properly balanced. Next, you need to use a chlorine shock to rid the water of contaminants and establish an initial low chlorine level. The Frog system requires very little chlorine to work properly, between 0.5 and 1.0 parts per million, and an initial shock will help you dial that in easily. Now you can put Pool Frog's easy 3-step system to work. Step 1. Insert your new Pool Frog mineral reservoir. The minerals inside work with a low level of chlorine to kill bacteria 2 ways, and they keep your water feeling soft and silky smooth. The mineral reservoir lasts up to 6 months, or 1 pool season, whichever comes first. Step 2 is algae prevention. Frog BAM is guaranteed to keep algae from growing on your pool walls or water for 90 days, which is super important to water quality. Just slip the Frog BAM container into the center of the mineral reservoir. Set the dial to the highest setting and wait 90 minutes for it to disperse through your Pool Frog system. Then simply remove and recycle. Step 3. Insert the Pool Frog backpack in place of Frog BAM. It distributes the low level of chlorine that works in conjunction with the minerals to sanitize your water. Set the dial according to the chart in your Pool Frog Cycler manual to maintain a low 0.5 to 1.0 ppm chlorine level. That's 50% less than standard systems. See frogproducts.com if you don't have a manual. The backpack will last 1 to 3 weeks depending on pump run time, how much you use your pool, and weather conditions. And that's it! Your pool is ready to enjoy. Let the season begin! Have questions? Give us a call. We're happy to help.